I'm Mark.
And I'm Faye.
And we're the Grill Dads. In this episode of the Ninja FlexFlame Getting Started series, we're going to take you through the FlexFlame's secret sauce.
Cyclonic Heat IQ. Outdoor cooking will never be the same again.
Cyclonic Heat IQ unlocks 5 ways to cook with zero compromise.
So you can grill, smoke, roast, griddle, and you can make pizza. Ninja's Cyclonic Heat IQ is actually made up of 3 components.
Precision propane burners, the cyclonic fan, and the wood fire smoke box.
Why are you wearing a lab coat?
So it's about to get sciencey. Precision propane burners will automatically adjust to maintain a set temperature. The function you choose determines which burners are on.
Yeah, it's like up to 25% less propane per cook. They're designed to give you the optimal condition for whatever you want to cook.
And the burners run horizontally, so it's super even heat.
Really?
Yeah. The cyclonic fan circulates high-powered air and smoke throughout the FlexFlame for faster cooking and better charring.
It's a lot faster than traditional grills or smokers, but you better keep an eye on it your first couple cooks, because this baby is fast.
This thing heats up to 600 degrees in 7 minutes. Select your function and set your temperature anywhere from 200 to 600 degrees.
Just set the dial and walk away. No more fiddling or guesswork, just cooking. So in conclusion, the Ninja Cyclonic Heat IQ gives you
super fast cooking, great smoky flavor, and it's easy to use.
That's the Ninja FlexFlame.